welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Police recovers 40 live crude bombs. NSG defuses them. Deceased suspected to be an illegal wild meat trading racket. Unseasonal rain disrupts normal life. Loss of property across state. Damage to Lusophonia infrastructure. Cities flood. Kaure people refuse bail, protest at magistrate office. Assistant mines director meets aggrieved locals, inspects the site. People still unsatisfied. IDC contemplates joint venture with Gas Authority of India, plans to supply CNG to Goan households. And Argentine coaches look to unearth new Diego Maradona from India. Week-long training camp in progress at Taligaon. 14 talented boys to be selected for training at Boca Juniors. Now news in detail. Around 40 live crude bombs have been recovered at the site of blast in Nesai, Margaon. Twin blast shook Nesai on Thursday, killing Paplu Mulgun. NSG has defused around 40 live crude bombs. Police have interrogated wife of deceased Paplu Mulgun. Paplu, who died in the blast, was involved in illegal wild meat trading racket. Belgaum police team was also probing the case.
Twin blast had occurred on Thursday evening in a house at Nesai, Margao. It is now clear that blasts were due to crude bombs. Police have recovered many live crude bombs from the scene. Paplu Mulgund, a native of Hubli, died after this blast. Investigation has revealed that Paplu was making this crude bomb. The illegal activity was going on in a rented house at Nesai. He was involved in the illegal wild meat trade racket. Paplu was using crude bomb to kill the wild animals. Investigating agencies has recovered around 40 live bombs from the site. A team of National Security Guards from Delhi has defused these bombs. Team also inspected the site. Belgaum police are also investigating the case and have arrived in Goa.
His profession was cutting and cleaning of fish in the market, but he also used to work as a poacher in the forests of Ponda, where he used to use certain homemade explosives, homemade, country-made bombs to kill wild boars, and then he used to sell that meat. I'm very thankful to the team, NSG team that headed by Colonel Balakrishna, who have come from Delhi, and they had very meticulously, who were the best hands to deal with such eventualities.
It is reported that Paplu was making crude bombs when the blast occurred. He noticed smoke coming out from a bomb and asked his wife to pour water on the explosive. But things went out of control and a crude bomb exploded. Paplu died on the spot of the blast. His wife Nurjahan, Samina Mulgun, Sahil Mulgun, Gayatri Mulgun and Umesh Gayekwad got injured in the blast. They were being treated at hospital in Margao. Mulgun family is originally from Hubli and was residing in a rented house at Nesai for past 1 month.
पंचायतींक सांगता आनी हे फुडाकार घेवन बाबा तांकां खबर आसता हे पंचायतींक कोण आसा कोण भाड्यान रावता तांचे कडेन स्वता जावन भाटकारा कडेन भाटकारांनी कडेन वचून बाबा तुमी तुमगेर कोण रावता हांगा तांची नांव घेवची.
In the past, police had recovered explosives from Paplu. Police are thoroughly investigating the case to unearth the racket. Questions before police are: from where was deceased Paplu getting raw material to make bombs? To whom was Paplu selling wild animal meat? Who else are involved in this racket? Police have interrogated Paplu's wife. More shocking info is that the house owner did not verify Paplu Mulgun and his family's background before renting him the premises, nor he intimated about their state to the local police.
After initial probe, Goa police has claimed that the bombs found here were meant to hunt wild animals. Goa police has also refuted any terror link with this incident. But we cannot forget that the explosives used in 2009 Margao blast case were procured from a fish catcher.
Mukesh Kumar, Savio Dias and Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
First spell of rain unmasked the standard of Lusophonia Games stadiums. Rooftop of Athletic Stadium at Bamboli has been ripped off on Thursday night. SAG director has justified saying stadium has guarantee of 18 months, hence no need to worry. At Uskai, electronic equipments were damaged due to lightning and around 7 to 8 houses incurred a loss of almost 11 lakh rupees. Few wards in the Margao city got flooded due to choked drains. Municipality has blamed Sewerage Corporation for the mess. Incident of tree felling were reported at Madkai and Vasco and many other places.
The first spell of rain has exposed the quality of work undertaken by SAG for its athletic stadium at Bambolim. Stadium was built for Lusophonia Games. First rain has blown away the roof of the stadium and has unmasked the standard of works. SAG director has put forth his justification.
No, as far as this work is concerned, yes, it is for the first time that 10-style roof has been erected, and perhaps in India also this is for the first time that this type of roof you will see in the stadium. So whatever problems are associated, and of course one must understand that we have a heavy downpour in Goa.
Lightning struck around 7 to 8 houses in Paji Uskai on Thursday night. Televisions, refrigerators, electrical wiring boards and even vehicles were damaged due to lightning. Altogether, residents have incurred a loss of almost 10 to 11 lakhs.
सुरेश बिचोलकर तेचे सगळे हे जाला सगळे श्रीकांत भिसे मागीर गिरीदास साळगांवकर वयर मिलिंद पेडणेकर हे 7 घरांक आमकां मार बसला. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सगळ्यांची काबार जाला. टीव्ही फ्रीज घरांतले सगळ्यांचेच गेल्या. टोटल लागी 10-11 लाख जातलो सगळ्याचे मेळून.
Ukasai Panchayat has assured all possible help for the affected families.
घरांपासून चिरायले गेले सगळे. इवन थोड्यांची फ्रीज, टीव्ही, लायट करून टोटल एस्टिमेट 10 lakhs तरी डॅमेजीस आसा 7 घरांची टोटल. सो हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट करता की तांकां बेगीनचे बेगीन हे करून तांकां सेटल करपाक जाय. सगळे जितके मॅक्झिमम पावर सरपंचाक जितके पावर आहा तो तांकां तेजो बेनिफीट करून तांकां ते करून दिता.
Incessant rains flooded Ward number 17 of Madgaon Municipal Council at Ake on Thursday night. Councillor of the area Avinash Shirodkar and the chairperson of MMC blamed the sewerage department for not clearing the drains after the sewerage works.
आता कांता हॉटेला पळय एवरी इयर उदक भरता ते काल उदक धपर उदक जालें आनी लोकांक सगळो प्रॉब्लेम जालो. राती गटार फुटून चंबर फुटून गटार गॅस जावन उदक भायर पडलें आनी तें घरान भरलें बारान.
सिवरेजी एक्चुअली सिवरेजीचें काम हें सगळें माती सगळें ड्रेनीनी भरल्या आनी ते कांडा सगळें ते सुशेगाद गेल्या. ते तांकां प्रायोरिटीचेर म्हळ्यार काम करून सांगलेलें वी आर फॉलोईंग विथ द सिवरेज.
Thunder and lightning has ripped off the roof of a chapel at Alto Chikli Daboli. Even tree felling were reported in Vasco due to cyclonic rain.
वारो सुटलो ऑलरेडी सायक्लोन लायक कितें सुटलो आनी त्या वाऱ्याचेर यें जालें त्यो फुल्ली हिंगा झाडां बीन खूब पडल्यान. असो लायट सुद्दां गेली, पोल्स पडले, माड पडले. पुलिसांक कितें आपण हाडला आनी मागीर ते बॅरिकेडी घातली तेंच्यांनी. सो मातशें ट्रॅफीक लोकांक अदरवायज एक्सिडेंट जावपाची शक्यताय आसली. लोकांक असो एक्सिडेंट असो कांय जावंक ना. तेच्या पयलूच तांच्यांनी कंट्रोल केलो. पुलिसेक फोन करून फोन कितें.
Coconut trees crashed down on the house of Ganesh Mahale at Madkai. Mahale family claims to have suffered a loss of almost half a lakh.
लॉस म्हणजे जवळजवळ आमकां 55,000 सुमार मातशें फरक बसला. कोणाक मार बीन लागलो तसो मार कोणाकूच लागोना. कितली घरांक डॅमेज जाला आता? दोन घरांनी जवळजवळ आमी 15 लोक सुमार रावता दोनी घरांनी मेळून. आता बरें पंच बीन कोण येवन गेला? मनोज येयलो पंच. सरपंच येयलो राती.
Bureau report Prudent.
Kaure villagers arrested for protesting against old transportation have refused to accept the bail. Magistrate released them on bail, but Kaure locals camped at the magistrate office in Kepe. They demanded face-to-face interaction and site inspection by mines director. Late evening, Assistant Director Parag Nagarsekar tried to address the protesting mob and inspected the site. Nagarsekar assured them that the transportation is legal, but Kaurekars are still adamant on their stand. They are not satisfied.
बाकीच्या कोण तरी चोर आसात आनी कोणा धरून दवरल्या त्याच लोकां भितर तांकां अक्षरशः ते लोक सांगतात ते खंय अशी तांकां दवरल्या खंय माती बिती सगळी सकल आनी तांकां म्हणजे टॉयलेटी जर सकाळी जर गेले तर टॉयलेटीक वचपाचें हें ना ते म्हणले जे कितें आमच्या गांवांत चलता ते आमकां क्लियर पिक्चर सांगात आनी तुमी करात.
तुमी कितें स्टँड घेतला?
आमी स्टँड म्हळ्यार ते कितें ते आतात आमी हांगा येवन बी तेच म्हणले लोकां बरोबर आमी आसात. लोक अजून लोकांनी म्हणणी आसा की डायरेक्ट ऑफ मायंड स्वता आचार्य ना तरी कोणी तरी तेगे एक मनीस धाडचो हांगा आनी जेणे करून आमकां एक्सप्लेन करचें.
2 o'clock, from 2 o'clock we are waiting for a person of the mines department. जर तर तूं लिगल आसलो जाल्यार तुका दाखोवपाक कितें प्रॉब्लम म्हाका कांय समजना. हे मायन डायरेक्टर जावं पुलीस आहाय ते एजंट जाले हेंचे. हे एजंट जायन विसरपाक सोदतात लोकांक.
Kanware locals who were arrested for blocking ore transportation refused to be released on bail. Opposition MLAs slammed authorities for subjecting them to inferior treatment. Locals also claimed that they were not even offered water and were given inhuman treatment. They protested in magistrate's office where they were taken for bail. Finally, Assistant Mines Director Parag Nagarsekar met the protesting locals. Nagarsekar assured that ore transportation is carried out legally, but the protesters were not satisfied. AAP leaders Swati Kerkar and Rajendra Kakodkar were also present at the site.
147 trips आसा. हे महिन्याची किती तारीख माहिती आहे? तांकां परमिट दिला अप टू 24th. 4th of May.
दिसा कितली टर्नर पाहिजे?
दिसा प्रेझेंटली आज टोटल 107 ट्रिप्स, so 1000. At all points.
आणि तुमगे कोण आसता मॉनिटर करपाक?
मनीस आसा हांगा आसा टोटल हांगा आसा जेट्टीचेर आसा एवरीवेयर इन देयर पॉइंट. So once a trip sheet is generated, unless that trip sheet gets cancelled, he cannot load again. The normal timing police are follow.
Mayur Naik and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.